So what determines the amplitude? What determines the frequency? When you play a note, on an instrument, what determines amplitude? What determines frequency? What determines acceleration? What determines momentum? What determines velocity? What is the sound trajectory that occurs? So we taking a physics analysis of sound. We're not looking at sound from a music perspective, from a music theory's perspective. Because if you look at sound from a musical perspective, you have to get into the chromatic scales, the diatonic scales. Primarily the diatonic scales was like extracted from the chromatic scales to form the musical structure in the Western Hemisphere. And, you know, why is there a low, while E chord is a low E and a